you have a machine that has Programmable Z, you can program the head to move up and down between cuts to avoid potentially colliding with tipped-up things. By default, WARDCAM doesn't do that, but again, if you do have Programmable Z, we can change that. So if you go, first of all, just create a normal CNC file here without any pop-ups. We'll see between cuts, so we've got a traverse, and then cutting head turns on, and then turns off, and then traverses, and there's no Z motion. So to do pop-ups, you can go up to your options area, click on Edit Variables, and normally there would be a height sensors tab up here. If you're not seeing your height sensors tab, then that tab has been hidden. And to get that tab back, what we would do is exit out of there, and you'd press your scroll lock key on your keyboard. And after you press that, then you can come back up to Options and into Edit Variables. And then every tab will be shown, as will every option on each of those tabs. So then if you go to your height sensors tab, you'll see this column over here on the right where you can choose what parameters, what variables you want to be able to see on that tab. So normally these are used in conjunction with the height sensor, but if you want to use it for the Programmable Z, then what we can do is change the height sensor down code as well as the height sensor up code. So for the height sensor down, we'd want that to be a G00 for traverse, and Z0, which would bring it back down to its starting height. And then for the height sensor up code, we would put a G00, and then Z, if you want to go up 1 inch between cuts, put a +1 up there and it'll go up. And I'll take care of that. First height sensor, just put a semicolon in front of that because it's not going to use that. And then down here at the bottom, use height sensor should be changed to true. And then if we want to make it easy to edit these later, we can come in and select these ones that we edited. Height sensor up, height sensor down, and we'll put that one on there. And let's see if we are going to need any other ones here. So then we'll click on Save. And so now if we look at the CNC file, we should see some Z codes in here. So at the start here, it's going to move up 1 inch, and then it's going to traverse over, and then it's going to move back down to its starting height, and then it'll do its cut. And then at the end of the cut, after the water and the abrasive shut off, it'll move up 1 inch, traverse, and then back down to its starting height, and continue like that throughout the program. So that's how you can put pop-ups between your cuts if you have Programmable Z access with WARDCAM.